Hello all, welcome to my channel. I am Rajivpujala. In this video, let's see how many rows and how many columns where the data is filled. For example, if you look at the sheet 1 data, the data is there for 4 rows, and how many columns are used? 3 columns. So if you look at if someone has like, hey, may I know like until which row the data is filled? So you should be in a position to tell like, yeah, it's like 4 rows and 3 columns. So this one, let's see how we can achieve using the app script. So click on extensions and click on app script to go over here and click on plus sign, choose script, and then I'm naming it as like number of rows and columns, right? So function, I can simply write number of rows and columns, right? So I have saved here. The moment once we save, it will reflect over here. So ideally how it works, for example, if you write something like incomplete code, and if you try to save, it will generate an error. So always ensure that there are no syntax errors before you try to save the file. And now, so we have to access this the spreadsheet first, and it's same. There's the same code that we may write like again and again for 1,000 number of times in this entire playlist. Get active spreadsheet, right? And variable. So I have data in sheet one. So I have to tell to the app script that, hey, go and look into sheet one. So variable sheet is equal to spreadsheet dot get sheet by name. So I have sheet one, right? So this is also fine. So we are in sheet one. So once we execute, the active sheet will be the sheet one. And now how many columns are there and how many rows are there? So if sheet one exists, right? I mean, if in case if it's not exists, it will not run beyond this one. If in case if sheet one exists, and then so here variable last row. Okay, so what is the last row is equal to sheet one. Like, so how we are calling sheet one by using the sheet dot get last row, right? And then variable last column is equal sheet dot get last column. Okay, and now let's print this one logger dot log number of rows in the sheet plus sheet dot get name plus is. Okay, it looks like little bit more. So last row, right? And similarly, this should be like capital logger dot log. So do always remember this is a case sensitive. Okay, and again, logger dot log number of columns in the sheet. Okay, sheet dot get name plus is plus last column, right? Let's execute this one. Click on run. There it go. So how many rows in the sheet one? There are 4 rows, and which is 4 here. And how many number of columns here? 3. So there are 3. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will continue the rest of the videos as well. I wish you happy good learning, and bye for now.